Today we are reviewing the Naz Bags tool roll. You might remember Naz Bags, who made up my tank panniers for the 500. There will be a link to that up there somewhere, maybe down below. But today it's about the tool roll. So just a quick look at what it is. It is heavy duty truck canvas. It has rivets in the corners. It has what's this called, binding or something on the edges. Really good quality, feels good, feels strong. Buckles to hold it all in place. When you undo it, it has the fold out flaps just to create a bit of a workspace for you. What I want to do tonight is to take my existing tool roll and see how it all fits into this one. So for me, everything I carry in terms of tools is in this little bum bag here. So I'll open up the bum bag and I have just some random bits and pieces. I have a small pump compressor. I have a toe strap, a bead buddy, and my current tool roll. My current tool roll has everything that I need. It has nothing more. It has exactly what I need, and that is what I want to put into the Naz Bags version. I think it's all going to fit. Should all fit fine. I have the trail stand that can fit up there under that flap. That goes in fine. I have the Motion Pro Bead Pro, so bead breakers and tie levers built in. Put them into that bigger pocket. I have the Motion Pro titanium wheel nut removers, also double as tie levers, so they can go somewhere. Let's slot them into there for now. 17mm spanner for the front axle. I have a set of pliers, Nipex pliers, which are pretty good for lots of things. Kind of like an adjustable spanner as well, those ones. I have a screwdriver, a bit driver handle and shaft, and the plug socket for the KTM. We'll slot that up in there. We have a couple of spanners, spoke spanner and an 11mm. 11mm is for the ram mounts on the bike. I also carry a 10 and an 8 in my backpack. I find that I use the 10 and the 8 a lot, so I keep those. Might be a 10 and an 8 and a 12 and a 13 for the chain adjuster. They get used heaps, so they just go straight into my backpack rather than having to bust out this toolkit all the time. For that, let's get that in there. Spanners, I've got a 1/4 inch drive socket into there. The drive bits, socket bits. There's a spot. Some random other hex key. Some drive bits with various bits and pieces on them. That can probably go into there as well. And just another little container of fuses and other little random assorted things, so they can go shove that down the back there. So that's it. That's everything on from my existing tool roll into the new one. So then it's folded up and over. So I like these flaps, nice and heavy. Roll it up. Wrap those straps around. Click. Click. There we have it. One tool roll. And it fits back into there. My other bits and pieces. And I might need to repack it slightly flatter, but it should all still fit. That's basically all packed back into the bum bag, ready to go. I bought this one myself. This is not a paid promotion. It's not a freebie. It's something that I wanted to get. That's a quality product, and I am happy with that. That's great. It comes in different colors. There are different sizes. There's a small version, there's an extra large version, but this one suited me. Like I said, I had it just for the height of that trail stand, and so that suited me perfect. So links will be down below. If you'd like to grab one of these, Naz has kindly offered a coupon code for subscribers to this channel, so if you want to purchase one of these, use the coupon code that she's provided down in the description, and yeah, order one. Thanks Naz, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.